Hey everybody, Scorpion here. What are you doing, baby? Let's do a mail call. This is my baby, look at him. Don't tell nobody, he thinks he's a lap dog. Alright, so I got this package in today from Elwood City, PA. And I was thinking, I don't remember what exactly is going on here. So I think, and I'm not positive, but I think I won this, but there's nothing in here that tells me anything. But this is pinehurstcoins.com. So I would think it's got something to do with Pinehurst coins, but really I'm lost. I don't know, but I can't remember what I did 5 minutes ago either. So I assume I won it. This is a 2005 S Silver 25-cent California minted PF69 Ultra Cameo. I really have no idea. What this might be worth, but it is definitely a beautiful coin. This might be the only Ultra Cameo coin I have, to be honest with you. So thanks for sending this. I do greatly appreciate it. Let me know who sent it so I can tag you in the top or something. I'm not sure, but I'll try to go back and check out and see if I can figure something out. But y'all have to send me a little something. My mind is really bad. If I won something and somebody didn't send it to me, I probably wouldn't know, to be honest with you. So anyway, thanks for that. It's greatly appreciated. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll catch you next time. GoPro, stop recording.